So we have Jabba the Hutt, I suppose here, or a kind of worm that it's close to Jabba. So I'm just gonna shout Jabba, and then we're gonna process that. This alligator, I'm gonna go first like, and then. And I also saw there's like this little baby Yoda going on here. I'm gonna do some like little efforts, like cute efforts, like. So I'm gonna mute all the tracks and just go for it. Jabba! Okay, we're gonna process that and we're gonna put everything together. I'm gonna add some more sweeteners and I'm gonna show you what I've got so far. I have the voiceover here, which is my favorite part to do because I get to perform, I get to be goofy and to do some funny stuff, which I like. And also I get to use Dehumaniser, which is my favorite plugin. I usually do like 2 or 3 like copies here just to process on the fly. Let's go and find some presets here because they work really good. So this is funny. I feel like it should be a little bit. I feel like this is the pitch. See, it was like this much of pitch and so I think that could be funny. We're definitely not looking for an authentic noise from the Baby Yoda. I know it doesn't sound like this, but I'm just trying to be funny here. So I want a little bit shorter. So I'm just going to do this little thingy here and make it shorter that way. Nice. I really like that. It's funny. Okay. Jabba the Hutt. I really like that guy. I like evil characters, so Dehumaniser. That's definitely really good for the low end. You're not understanding that he's saying Jabba, but it's a very good growl, like shows up all his size and power. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's do some more here. So I like this big guy one. And then I'm gonna keep my original recording, not with the Dehumaniser, because I really want to keep that Jabba word to be understandable, right? So we're gonna just drop a couple of semitones here, see how it works. That is really good. So we're gonna add some reverb later to the mix to make it better. So let's see this alligator here. This is cool for the mid frequencies. I'm going to show you the final result here. See you guys.